Hello everyone, this is Ariane Tavakol, founder of Luxury Lifestyle Discover Out Loud and also a personal reinvention architect. I've been home now like everyone else for the past 4 weeks now. I miss my weekends away, my favorite hotels, eating the foods of my favorite chefs, going to the spa, getting my hair done, which obviously I don't know how to do myself. And I also miss very much seeing my family, my friends. But thank God we have FaceTime, we have Zoom, and we have Skype. So everything is possible virtually. The tools that I use literally all day long, every day. And of course, right now I'm working on my webinar. So that's what I've been doing every Friday at 6 p.m. And my Kanban board, which I have been diligently using every day and moving things around as I'm completing them. That has been a lifesaver. My vision board. So these are the things that I live with every day. What has changed for me, as I just mentioned, no more personal meetings. That sucks. And no more workshops, which I love to do. But you know what? That is okay. We needed this time to just sit still and take care of things that we never had time for. I'm looking forward to seeing how the world will evolve once this passes. What have I done to use this time? Well, I launched a weekly webinar series called We Keep It Real with Ariane. Something that I had been wanting to do for many months, but just never had the guts to do. So every Friday at 6 p.m. I have a webinar with a different topic, and I invite very special guests to come in and share the platform with me. So that's been amazing. And yes, and also reading, catching up on all the classes that I had signed up for and never had time to really finish, and just being. So that's about it, and I wish you all the best. Please be safe, be healthy, have a great day. Bye-bye.